In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a DramaBox coin hack using legit in-app methods that work on both iOS and Android. As you can see on your screen, this method allows you to earn more coins faster by using built-in features of the app. This DramaBox hack focuses on optimizing gameplay, completing tasks efficiently, and unlocking rewards. In this tutorial, I have several proven options to help you get more coins, including daily rewards, bonus missions, and hidden features most users don't take advantage of. First, make sure your DramaBox app is updated to the latest version. To do that, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if an update is available. Once your app is updated, you're ready to use this DramaBox hack method. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through where to find these features and how this method works in real time so you can follow along easily. The next thing you need to do is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get DramaBox++. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.